I recently spilled a rather large amount of spaghetti sauce on one of his kilts.
Oh.
He needs it cleaned, but there is a lot of spaghetti sauce.
Huh.
Is there a good method for hand cleaning kilts? So I think, especially now, we're going to be eating potentially little dinners, and we could be spilling stuff on. So what is the good way to do those cleaning methods right there?
Good luck. Godspeed.
Yeah.
If I had to, I don't even know if I want to guess because I'm not the laundry police. Treat it as soon as possible. Get it off. Get it soaked, or treated as soon as possible. I don't know, Eric? Do you know much? What do you know about laundry?
Yeah, I mean, the fact that he's asking us this question now, I think unfortunately means, Giovanni, it may be too late.
Yeah, I know.
Absolutely. The first thing you do for straight stain treatment, usually the recommendation is, as soon as it happens, strip the thing off, and in the middle of the St. Andrew's party, of course.
As you do.
Yes.
Well,
Get it
under
cold water. Get it under cold water as fast as possible, and just rinse and rinse and rinse and rinse. And then soaking in something like a woolite solution, I guess, is probably the way to go. There's probably more nuanced things you can do, but that's what I've always heard. You're looking at probably dry cleaning, I guess, but the problem is, it's like the evil trifecta of stains is tomato sauce, wine, like red wine, and coffee. And that's horrible, man. I feel you. That's really not. I'm not sure if you'll be able to recover.
So Giovanni went to a big Italian wedding. He had a spaghetti course, and he had his wine course, and he
and then some espresso after dinner. It was very tasty.
Limoncello. That's the Italian dessert drink.
Okay. So I'm not sure I have any. I'm not sure I have good advice at this point. If the stain has set, you may have to talk to a dry cleaner and see if they can do anything special for you. But the getting it underwater as fast as possible, rinsing it, soaking it in cold water, and then soaking it with something like a woolite, a gentle wool specific detergent.
Now we can also recommend a good kilt retailer.
Right.
No, but it's would OxyClean, do you think, help it?
I think so. I mean,
whatever.
Or something, but I'm sorry, I didn't mean to talk over you.
Yeah, Kelly swears by OxyClean for blood, for wine, for whatever it is. She's had a lot of luck with that.
Yeah, OxyClean is good. From what I hear, that works really well.
Yeah,
but again, speed is important before it really sets.
Absolutely. So remember, OxyClean, Woolite, and USAKilts.com.
I would turn it into an art piece. I'd spray paint like anarchy symbols on it or something, and use it for rock concerts, and then get another kilt.
Little 70s punk kilt action going on. Okay.
There you go. Get some safety pins on there. Could be cool.
The random, non-really purposeful zippers. Yeah.
Yeah. You can do that. I will always. I already own a patch kilt, so there's always that. If it's not a kilt you care about, then put some weird shit on it, and excuse my language, and use it for fun occasions, or just keep it as is. Use it for splitting wood in the backyard, and get another kilt.
Yeah,
that's gotta hurt though, man. I can see it happening. I can see like the whole thing like being the slow motion like no thing.
No, I'm moving forward to the burial. Do they play taps? Must you burn the kilt? Must you salute it and have a 21-gun salute as it goes down? What's the proper burial for a kilt? That's a good question for future episodes.
The archaeologist in me says, please do bury it in a peat bog so we can study it later. But my spiritual side says burn it. So.
Fair. That question was a spicy meatball. For more hints, tips, and tricks on kilt care, check out these videos.